We haven't seen you guys in a while. Welcome back to Snow Dogs Cooking, where if we can survive, so can you. If you haven't been watching the vlog channel and you haven't been keeping up on Snow Dogs vlogs, we're in a massive ice storm. I'm out at my parents' house right now, and we're making taco soup. I'm not going to show you exactly every step because we actually have that video up to show you how to do it already, so I'll link it somewhere and down below. But I wanted to give you guys an update because we missed you. I am making taco soup in an Instapot using a generator while they work on cutting down trees. Look how steamy it is. So there's the generator. It's running the Instapot. It's extra steamy because it's cold outside. Sorry if this video is a little strange, but we missed you guys. So right now I'm browning the meat, and then I'm gonna take this inside and go do everything else. Yeah, I'm cooking with an Instapot on the floor in my parents' garage using a generator. And in case you've missed some of the stuff on the vlog channel, this is what we're dealing with. Ice, baby. I'm gonna come over here and show you guys. So this is my parents' house. This is all the trees that are down. They have a lot of damage. I don't know if you can hear it, but the ice is still falling down. All right, I'm gonna go keep making food. They're cleaning up trees. Watch out, the ice is falling on you.
I know.
Be careful. Yep. Oh, it's so crazy. I'm making you guys food. We're making dump and go taco soup. We found everything we needed.
Good.
We're making taco soup.
Good.
So you guys keep up what you're doing. I'm gonna make food. Got the pan inside. Look, Mom found all the stuff for taco soup. So we're gonna we're gonna make, what we call this, ice storm taco soup with the generator. What do you think of that? Oh, I know, Indy's so happy. All right, let's dump some stuff in. Mom's adding some corn. This is fresh corn, well, fresh frozen corn from our farm, because that's the way to do it.
2 of them?
You want 2 of them in there?
Is that too much?
I mean, we're gonna eat it, so
Yeah,
it's up
we're
to
gonna
you.
take some home.
We'll take some home. Some corn. And then we're gonna add beans.
Oh,
What kind of beans are we adding, Mom?
pinto and red kidney.
Pinto and red kidney. Dump them in.
Where's my machine?
We got it.
Garden.
Go ahead. Tomato sauce, no salt. Mom makes it like I do, from the garden.
One with the hot sauce.
I think one with the hot sauce will be perfect.
How much of this?
You know, about that much. Measure it with your heart. I'm gonna need 2 cups of water, so I'll do like a half of a tablespoon of this. Again, we're going with what we have. We have a can of diced green chilies. We're gonna put that in here too. All right, next we're gonna add homemade hot sauce. Look, Mom's got all kinds of homemade hot sauce. About a cup into the pot. For seasonings, we're gonna do some chili powder, some oregano, some basil, some cumin, and so half a packet of ranch seasoning.
Salt and pepper.
Measure with your heart. Put in there whatever your heart content, whatever you want. You know, we're working with no power here. What do you expect from us? All right, for some random dump and go taco soup. It's in there. We're gonna put the lid on this. We're gonna let it go for about 5 minutes. It'll eat it right up. Honestly, you guys, as like we keep saying, as horrible as this all is, it's still beautiful. Look at it. You just hear the ice falling. As long as it's just ice, we're good. Look at across the river. Well, look what we have here. Oh, it's hot and steamy. It's ice storm taco soup. Oh my goodness. It smells amazing. We're gonna take it inside and we're gonna eat. Oh my goodness. Look at, we did it. Taco soup. Jamie, I need your review.
Here's the review.
Right?
Really good.
It's really hot.
We're freezing and we needed soup. We got it.
Perfect.
Was it weird to not see the best kitchen helpers ever in that video? Oh my goodness, you guys. There has been so much going on since we filmed that video. The ice storm is over. If you guys want to see more of the ice storm, what we went through, how everything went, I will put a playlist here. If you don't know, we do have a vlog channel at youtube.com/snowdogsvlogs where we vlog a lot of our life. So if you're new here and you don't know that, you should definitely go check out that channel. But like I said, I'll put some links down in the video description and at the end of this video so you can see all of the ice storm stuff. We've just started uploading most of it. But yeah, we made taco soup with no power during an ice storm. My parents were without power for a long time. It was kind of crazy. And you can see Memphis has a booty on your foot. Again, check out the vlog channel. You can learn more about what's going on there. Why, yes, I am sitting on the floor talking to my dogs, making a video for you guys. As of right now, the time I'm filming this, we have power back. Everything here is mostly back to normal. If you do not know, things have been a little crazy. I think it's been over a month since I've given you guys a video. We were in Virginia. We were going to film a video there. Then we thought we were going to rush home. There was a lot of things going on behind the scenes. If you guys do not know, my brother's wife, my sister-in-law, Danielle, was battling cancer for a very long time. She did pass away on March 24th. Again, more of all that over on the vlog channel. But, so that kind of threw us into like a tailspin of things. And this channel is the newest channel to return. So it kind of got pushed to the wayside while we were trying to figure out a whole lot of things. So I hope you guys understand. I don't know if there's going to be a video next week. Because normally we upload here on Sunday. Next week, Sunday, is Easter. I don't know if there's going to be a video or not. We will see. We're still trying to figure out all these. There's a lot going on. There is a lot going on. We had an ice storm. There was like a state of emergency in all of northern Michigan. We had natural disaster, blah, 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 blah. There's so much happening. It's kind of crazy. And then on top of all that, as you guys saw, Memphis has a booty on her foot. So we've been back and forth to the vet with her. Hi, Kira. And then Eleanor had some issues with leaky eyes. We had to take her to the vet. Hers are pretty much nothing. They pretty much cleared themselves up before we even got into the vet. But yeah, so Memphis had to go in for a little procedure. Again, we'll be talking about that more on the vlog channel. So it's just been a lot. It's been a lot of stuff, hasn't it? But we didn't want to leave you guys with nothing, so we thought it would be kind of funny to make taco soup during an ice storm using a generator, because that was all we had. One of the good things about having an ice storm is, you know, and having no power, that yes, there is positives in every situation. The positive to the ice storm with no power, everybody's refrigerators and freezers didn't work, but it was cold enough outside that you could just take your stuff from your refrigerator and you could set it outside in the shade, and it was colder outside than the inside of most refrigerators. Most of the freezers, like my mom and dad's deep freeze, is out in their garage anyways, so it was so cold outside that managed to stay cold. My mom and dad didn't lose a lot of food. Jamie and I didn't lose any food, and I think Greg only lost what was a little bit of what was in his fridge that he didn't end up taking outside. So one of the reasons we made that taco soup was some of the stuff that had been in the top of the freezer that had just barely started to thaw. We thought we might as well use it and make taco soup. Now, for those of you that want, like, hi, Eleanor. For those of you that want the full recipe on how to make the taco soup, she's like, pet me, Mom, pet me. There is a video on that. What I basically made today was like a dump and go, whatever we had type of taco soup. We were cold and we needed warm food because cooking on an electric stove in a power outage is not easy. We did have the generator, as you guys saw, but we were using it for other things. That's not a whole house generator that we were using, so we couldn't run everything at once. So anyway, we just kind of found what we had, made a dump and go recipe. If you guys want to see the real taco soup recipe, I'll link that down below as well. But yeah, we're not going anywhere. The cooking videos are still coming back. We just had a little bit of life. Life, it happens. And we didn't want to leave you guys with anything, or with anything. We didn't want to leave you guys with nothing. Can you tell that we're still not fully back to normal? Anyway, that's it. That's it. All right, you guys. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. As always, thanks so much for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Stay positive, dream big, and we will see you again soon. If you want to see more of the ice storm, click somewhere on the screen here. If you want the taco soup recipe, click here on the screen here. Thank you guys so much for supporting everything we do. Goodbye, audience.